All right, guys, it's Tuesday. We're wrapping up. It never fails. We're all the way down to the last day, and we run about a quarter of a gallon short of paint. A couple other little hiccups. Look, it don't matter. We'll come back and wrap them up. We just wanted to show you where we was at. It is the last day. We got a couple little loose ends here we'll show you. But check it out. We've been working out of the garage. Nice place, man. Nice. A lot of room here. We put the new door in. He's going to get a, yeah, thank you, Tom. He's going to get a deadbolt. You know, I was airing the video the other day, not to change the subject, but I was airing the video the other day, and I called our Sluter brushed nickel. So I can only imagine all the people in the video were like, you moron, it's brushed gold. Yeah, I know, man. 500 things and can't think of them all. Too much crap on my brain. All right, so now when we're walking in, you all, we got this laundry room figured out. We got it finished, and as you can see, that's where we ran short. So this got too coated. We knew we were in jeopardy of running short, so we just left that off. Come on in, bro. But look, so she wanted a little bit different here. We love it. Eventually, she's probably going to put some baskets under here, and this is countertop height. Perfectly, countertop height. Matching floor, so when she is sitting here at her new washer and dryer, stackables, she gets them all out. She's going to use that as a folding table, which is genius. So we put her in an extra shelf up top because of the header hanging low. That's about all you could squeeze in the equation. A couple of baskets underneath. But anyway, that's what we were lacking. So coming on in, look, bam, that don't even look the same time. Ha! Man, this is gorgeous. We got all this grouted today, and yes, we're missing the face plates. We were out of our little grommets that go in behind there and slide them guys out to attach them face plates. We'll get them. No biggie. We just wanted to show off everything. Right here at the end, they are super happy. All this came together just beautifully. I love that counter, bro. Look at the overhang. Oh yeah, I forgot. Look. So we got our panels on back there, our matching panels. So he had two receptacles back here on the old side anyway, so those stayed in play. But we wanted those panels to match going around, so we actually just got done with those today. Everything got painted in here twice. There's our little baby Zola. But don't forget, you all, we did this whole hallway, all the doors, all the trim. Coming on in, we did all this upstairs. We did the stair, the risers, the skirting. We did all up there, all those doors, everything. So it was much bigger than just the kitchen. And then we ran this floor concurrent. These were two different levels here, so we got a threshold. And look, this is the only thing left we're still deciding on. So you can see I got a little mud work up there that got buffed out. Before we paint that final coat, they are deciding on what kind of mantle they want us to build. And we'll dress all that up. 7, 8 different profiles, tying the two missing pieces of base that you can't see. And then we've got the same matching floor to go around the hearth there over where Suddy's at. But coming on in, everything, like I said, turned out great, fantastic. They love it. We love it. And look at that little guy. Look at that little gem up there. Ha! Love that vent, Tom. That turned out super slick, man. Super slick. So that's it, you all. This has been awesome. We have had a blast in this one. Great people. Great people. So that's just a look. That's what they get to see coming in every day. So they're in love. Well, as usual, y'all, we're going to close it out. This one's a wrap. We're going to come back here in the next couple of days for these minor little details left. But all in all, they love it. We love it. So till the next one, you guys, we'll see you back.